Horse me and married Paddy.
Gonna get this lot downers.
This is ITV. We apologize for the interruption of our normal programming, as we have to make an important announcement. A few moments ago, terrorists have broke into ITV studios and have planted bombs throughout the studio. We are very shocked about this incident, and police are discussing who broke into the studio and planted these bombs. We have no more information for the moment. Please stand by for more information. Police have confirmed that the terrorists were suspected to be wearing a black coat and a black mask. It has also confirmed that they both had brown hair. People inside the studio are expected to be evacuated within the next few minutes. What? You've got to be kidding. We have just received information that one of the bombs have exploded and has set a fire inside the entrance. Approximately 5 people have been injured and will be taken to a nearby hospital within the next few minutes. We have no more information for the moment. Please stand by for... Wait, is that a...